If you're looking for a functional city commuter with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2018 Fiat 500e in Pompeii Silver. With bifunction halogen projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 15-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, echo spoiler, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 31,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, Fiat premium audio system, split folding rear seats, 83 kilowatt electric motor, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6155.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.